You make in the plastic cup with only 3 ingredients and the kids go crazy. In a container, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of milk cream, 6 tablespoons of milk powder. And now it's just mix everything up nicely. That's the ideal point. Here, I passed everything to a container with a spout and poured into the glasses. Take to the freezer until it begins to freeze. To make it easier, to put the popsicle stick. Here I'm adding the chocolate drops, but it's optional. We are all done. Now just take it to the freezer until it hardens. As soon as it hardens, our popsicle is ready. Look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy and simple popsicle to be done. And the best of all, you don't need form. Besides being beautiful, it's super creamy. If you want to do it differently, just dip in the melted chocolate. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.